Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Alabama. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get right here in Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you create your company really effectively, fast and secure. So the first thing that you want to do is just click here and start my business. And I'm going to explain everything in this video. So here you can have start your business with confidence. You're gonna press LLC here, choose that, and then state of formation, Alabama. Click on that. Now here you see that you're gonna find free plans here. And now I always say that when you're starting a business, what you should focus on is actually building the business. All the accounting, all the creation, outsource it, because you should focus on the things that are going to make you money. And that's what I do with my businesses. So silver, gold, platinum. And my recommendation is going with the gold. Of course, you can choose your own, but I want to talk to you about a little bit on what you can get here. So in a silver, you're going to have, you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But here, look at this. Only, what is that, $200 more? Minus 236, $200 more, and you're gonna have business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, also the unlimited phone and email support, and this is really good. So if you can have any questions, also the business tax consultation, and this is a huge here. So if you can have any questions, they are going to help you with the whole process, and that's what I really like. And this is the gold version. And if I should say about the platinum version, here you're gonna have the expedited filling. This is one of the greatest thing about the platinum version, is that it's going to urge faster, and then business contract templates and domain name and business email. But I always recommend going with the gold because you're not going to make any mistake. The platinum is just a bonus. Other than that, it's really similar. Now here, when you're gonna choose the get the gold package, click on it. And here, what do you need to do? So first thing first, you need to add a first name and last name. So I will add Marcus Stonelius. Now I'm going to add my number and email address. So I will add, let's say like this. And phone number. Okay. Then street address. So I'm going to add that too. Okay, and city. We got it. This is the mailing address. Okay, we got it. Now I'm going to just press next. Here on the right side, you would have all the necessary information. And here, okay, we have the suggested address. And I'm going to continue. And here we have, the typical state filling time for Alabama is 3 weeks. In a hurry, Alabama offers the expedited filling option as well. Select the filling time that best meets your needs. This really depends, do you have time or no? If you don't have time, go with the 2 business days or 3 weeks. I'll just choose the 3 weeks for now. Next. Here you have to add also the LLC name. The use of most special characters is not permitted. However, the state does not make an exception for characters such as commas, apostrophes, dashes, periods, and yeah. So LLC name, I can, let's say I'm going to name it Sunweek. That's my company, what my company is named. And then I'm going to designator LLC or limited liability company. You choose the designator. The state requires that designators included such as LLC in the company name, which will signify that the company is organized as an LLC. And this is how it will look like. So I really like this one, so I'm going to choose these. Number of members, owners, you choose that. So if it's going to be 2, if you're alone, and then a business purpose. So let's say I'm full-time YouTuber, I create content, and also I teach how to, like, let's say meditation. So I can do here and write here, I create video content on YouTube, and also I educate how people can start their own business. Also, okay, so like this, 100. Now tell us what the industry or business is in, and let's say I'm going to have video production. I see it right here. So you choose from these. Okay. Now I have company address information, and this is like, you can choose the one that you choose that we wrote in the beginning when we were creating the company. Now I'm going to click next, and here, look at this. Here we are. So upgrade for only $149 to receive these free platinum services. And this is what I was talking to in the beginning. You can do this or you don't need to. Completely up to you. So expedition filling service, you would have it straight away there. Business contract templates. If you need legal templates, high quality legal templates, you would have it right here. And you would have it covered. And then domain name and also business email address that we have completely for free. This can be great if you're just starting out and you would need it. So if you need the filling service and the business contract templates and domain name and business email address, if you want, you can get upgraded and bonus. I'm going to click on it, but again, you can just press here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Get upgraded and bonus. And look at this, member 1, company, and you choose that if it's for individual or a company. Now let's say I'm going with the individual, and I will just click these 2 things that we filled. Everything is filled out, and then I'm going to press next. On the right side, you would always see everything what you have. And here you're gonna have the Alabama requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. And here, only Incfile offers 1 full year of registered agent service for free with every new business information order 111 value. Now, typical documents received by a registered agent can include service of process, notification of pending lawsuit or court order, this is a good thing, state correspondences, annual reports or statements. Now, you can have here that I would like to act as my own registered agent, or assign Incfile as my registered agent free for 1 year. I would always recommend, guys, outsource it. Don't do everything by yourself. You should focus directly on the business and build successful business. Outsource it and you're good to go. Now, here are some reasons why you should use as a registered agent, a free first year, guaranteed rates, all-inclusive, reduced junk mail. And they're going to cover a lot for you. Now I'm going to press next again. And now please provide ID number information. So let's say I'm foreign individual and don't have the social security number. If I don't have it, you just choose this, and then you're gonna have the Marcus Tonelius, and let's say which one you're gonna have. Let's say I have the SSN, right? Okay, and I got it. Then I have the physical street address. Again, you need to fill this out. Then click next. And here, setting up small business banking, earn a 100 to 500 bonus for your business. And you can have the Bank of America is going to contact you. You can do this or you don't need to. I'm not going to pressure you to anything. You can just simply click no, not at this time. You can choose it. I believe that you are smart enough to recognize if you need this or no. Then press next. And then tax strategy free consultation. And now, this consultation can help you identify important tax deductions and provide insight into the IRS tax classification of your new business. The offer is complete free of charge and does not obligate you in any way. This is something that I would definitely recommend to do. So this is something that can help you to understand stuff and how everything works. So go ahead and do this. Click next. And now, as a business owner, you are responsible for making sure your business has the proper federal, state, and local licenses and permits to operate legally. So you can do the work yourself, or if you need it, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary application. Again, you choose that if you want to do it by yourself or no. And then you see right here everything. So this is like summarization, the review order. I just fill it out: Alabama LLC, your contact information, agent info, company information, member, business tech consultation. I can press next. And here are some reviews. And then what you're gonna do is just fill everything here: the country, the street address, the card number, and then you do just press complete and pay, and you're good to go. And this is how easily you can start your own LLC in Alabama. Now they're going to reply to, they're going to send you messages, all the like important information. But this is how pretty much it starts. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. So let me down in the comments how it went for you. I'm really curious for that. And yeah, so thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day. And this is how you can start your own LLC in Alabama. Goodbye.